Managing 48 cables in a single rack space can be a total nightmare, but this heavy-duty panel might just be the secret to a perfect server room. When it comes to building out a medium to large-scale network, the NSPJ48 NetSelect series patch panel stands out as a serious contender for anyone who values organization as much as performance. This isn't just a piece of metal, it's a professional-grade foundation for a high-speed infrastructure. The first thing anyone will notice is the robust black finish, which feels incredibly durable and looks sleek once it's bolted into a standard 19-inch rack. At 3.5 inches in height, it takes up a bit of vertical space, but it uses every millimeter to provide a clear and organized layout for 48 pairs of connections. Because it comes unloaded, it offers the ultimate flexibility for custom installations, allowing technicians to snap in the exact modules they need without being locked into a fixed configuration. It is fully compatible with Category 6 standards, which is essential for maintaining those 10 gigabit per second data transfer speeds that modern SFP plus network switches demand. There is something deeply satisfying about the way the ports are laid out, making cable management feel less like a chore and more like a precision task. It handles high-density deployments with ease, ensuring that even when every single port is occupied, the identification remains clear and the airflow isn't compromised. 4.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.